let's get started. We need to finalize the project Neo conference this morning. Afian, as the creative lead, what's your plan?
My strategy is clear. We have to be bold, as we let's hire 5 major influencers at once and create controversial content to go viral in the street.
Hold on again. The budget is way too risky. How about we remain budget instead? We can just burning money on something without a clear ROI.
According to last month report, our audience respond better to organic content. I think I'll review this data before deciding to hire expressive influencers.
The data is the past. Jadi, if we are too slow, like Afif suggests, our competitor will steal all the market attention before we even start.
It's not about being stingy. It's about responsibility. I recommend it now that we cut the marketing cost by 30% and move it to the company emergency fund.
Guys, let's calm down. Why don't have tried a middle ground? We could use just one main influencer, a test, while maintaining our organic content strategy.
Enough. I understand Afi concern and Afi ambition. Jadi, your idea makes sense. Let's try the hybrid approach for the first week as a trial run.
Fine, sir. I refresh the influencer list, but I need size. The creative team keep full freedom over the video content.
If there is control like that, I can agree. I suggest Jody monitors the metric daily so we can pull the plug immediately if results are negative.
Consider it down. I will set up a real-time monitoring dashboards so we have a solid foundation for every next step.
Okay, good. Conflict resolved, decision made. I suggest you all sign your technical schedule at my desk in 1 hour meeting actually.